welcome to Sparklebox, and I am back with an interesting DIY, and that is a puppet. You are gonna guess what puppet are we going to do today? Come on, answer this question. Who is the king of the jungle? Lion, isn't it? So today we are gonna do a lion puppet. Let's quickly have a look at the materials required. A4 sheets, Fevi-stick, sketch pens, pencil, scissors and an ice cream stick. Now let's take an A4 sheet and draw a circle in it and then cut it. Now take red, orange and yellow color sheets and cut them into strips. Cut them in half. Now fold them and using a Fevi-stick, paste them as shown. Paste them on the circle as shown. Ice cream stick and paste it on the back of the circle. Now with a sketch pen, let's make the face of the lion. Your paper lion puppet is ready! For more of such amazing DIYs, visit our website sparklebox.co.in, and I'll be back with another interesting animal puppet.